Built almost 200 years ago as a sugar refinery, Cukrarna is one of the oldest and biggest industrial facilities of the time in Slovenia. After only 20 years, the fire burned down the building completely. In following decades, it underwent numerous refurbishments and many different users found place in the building. Cukrarna is therefore much more than just an industrial monument. It is actually a piece of identity. In order to save Cukrarna, we needed to destroy it first. By destroying the old one, we created the new one, and with creating the new one, we actually managed to preserve the old one. For me, just the height, the width, and the natural light that comes through the windows, it gives you a feeling as if you're in a cathedral. It was one of the demands to replicate the facade of this Austro-Hungarian building. We were searching for great, knowledgeable consultants on the subject. One of it was absolutely Baumit. Something profoundly novel found a place into something really old, and the old and the new coexist, creating something really unique. And what I wish is this momentum to last.